Hey everybody, Noah from American Trucks. This is the hood bug guard in smoked for the 2019 and newer Silverado 1500. If you've got a problem with bugs pelting your paint and your windshield, then a nice hood mounted bug guard is a great solution for you. It's not just you, bugs are super annoying, especially when they're coating your hood and your windshield. Now a bug guard like this one is a great way to deflect airflow and bug flow and send those guys right up and over the cab and keep your truck clean while you're on the highway. Now even if you aren't overly concerned with bugs, a lot of guys are just running these as an accessory now, and I must admit, on a nice build, they look pretty cool. Now a really nice thing about a bug guard like this one is that you don't need to drill the hood or anything like that, so it's truly a consequence-free upgrade for just about anybody. As far as the construction of this one goes, this bug guard needs to be impact resistant because the whole point of it is to take and deflect impacts. It's actually made from a smoked acrylic that's been impact modified, so it's strong, flexible, and it'll take the beating of highway driving. Now a lot of times a bug guard like this is going to fade and look really nasty because of the sun, so this guy is actually designed to be UV resistant, and it won't fade even in some really extreme conditions with intense sunlight. And like I said earlier, this is designed to go right on without any drilling or cutting, and to be removed really easily to clean and then put back on. Now the icing on the cake with this is the fact that it has a USA-based lifetime warranty. Coming in around $180, this bug guard makes it into the affordable modifications that can make a big difference club, in my opinion. Now, bugs on the windshield are super annoying, and it's even worse when you use up all your washer fluid cleaning it off, so you really can't go wrong with a sub $200 bug guard. Moving on to the install portion of the video, the difficulty is only 1 out of 3 wrenches, and you can count on spending only 30 minutes to get this guy on. It's a super simple job that anybody at home can accomplish with zero trouble. At this point, I'm gonna hand it over to one of our AT customers, and they're gonna show you how to put it on.
All you're gonna really need for it is maybe some water, soapy water in a spray bottle, and a rag to clean off any dirt so the adhesive will stick. And if you have a bottle of spray alcohol, might as well get that too, because these little guys are very small and good for only a few wipes. Yeah, so let's get started. It's pretty clean, but I'm gonna clean it up just a little bit more so the adhesive sticks to it. And I think that's really the only trick of installing this particular part. Okay, so this is the 2021 Silverado 1500. I'm gonna be installing a bug shield on the front of it made by GTS. Really, it comes in a box with instructions, these little rubber thingies that keep it from rubbing on the hood, and some alcohol wipes. Okay, so I just used some water and then some alcohol to go over it and clean off the areas that the guard will be stuck to. Okay, so I'm gonna pre-fit this thing before I install it. Got these little tabs right here that are Velcro and adhesive. I'll be peeling those off and sticking them on the underside of the hood here after I get it placed. Definitely want to make sure it's centered before you do it. Also, these little tabs, per the instructions, go underneath this rubber seal. And the rubber seal is just clipped on in a few spots. Otherwise, you can go push your finger straight through it, which I wouldn't recommend, but just got plenty of room for these guys. So just a rough fit. Center up. So it's just 1 centimeter or 2 of overhang. So really this guy is centered between these 2 holes here, making a mental note of that. Same on this side. I feel that this is clean enough for this to stick to, so I'm just gonna go ahead, pull this off. Pull off these red things to expose the adhesive. Okay. The adhesive bits to the hood. Okay, let's see. Okay, so not too difficult, just working those tabs. Underneath the seal was the hard part, but it's centered enough. Stuck on there, looks good. It'll definitely keep bugs and, more importantly, rock chips from damaging the paint underneath that. So there you have it. Looks awesome. Okay, so I'm going to use these little guys right here underneath this, right there, and probably right there, and a couple places along there, just to keep this from hitting the hood. I'm also going to use these alcohol wipes now. Before I used just a bottle of isopropyl alcohol and a rag to clean off the other areas for the adhesive. So I'll do that now. I'm sticking these on the shield itself instead of the vehicle. Might be obvious, but just saying it. Sticking these in places where the bug shield seems to want to touch if compressed. Cool, there you have it.
That was the hood bug guard in smoked for the 2019 and newer Silverado 1500. For all things Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.